Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to solve question number 9 exercise 7.2 from coordinate geometry chapter. So please share, like and subscribe my channel. Find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining A minus 2 comma 2 and B 2 comma 8 into 4 equal parts. So let us consider a line AB. Coordinates of point A are given as minus 2 comma 2. Coordinates of point B are given as 2 comma 8. Now in the question it is given that we have to find the coordinates of the point which divide the line into 4 equal parts. So for 4 equal parts we have to consider 3 points lying on this line. Those 3 points I take as C, D and E. So these 3 points they are dividing this line AB into 4 equal parts. AC equals to CD equals to DE equal to EB. So it means that AC is to CD is to DE is to EB ratio is equal to 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 1. So I write let CDE divide the line AB into 4 equal parts. Therefore AC is to CD is to DE is to EB. AC is to CD is to DE is to EB. All these ratios are equal to 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 1. Now if you look AD is to DB. If I consider point D, what do you see? This AD segment has how many numbers? 1 is to 1. So this 1 plus 1 gives you 2. Similarly, if I come to DB section, we have 1 is to 1. So 1 plus 1 gives you 2. So what does it mean? That AD is to DB will be equal to 2 is to 2. This 2 comes from 1 plus 1. This 2 comes from 1 plus 1. So I can write AD is to DB equals to 2 is to 2. If I cancel out the common factor 2, we will get 1 is to 1. So AD is to DB 1 is to 1. It means that D is the midpoint of AB. So D is the midpoint of AB. Mein I can use the midpoint formula to find the coordinates of point D. So write down the formula for coordinates of point D. x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. This is your midpoint formula. And minus 2 comma minus 2 ko I can consider x1 comma y1, 2 comma 8 x2 comma y2. Simply substitute the values in this formula. So x1 plus x2 upon 2 will be minus 2 plus 2 upon 2. Similarly y1 plus y2 upon 2 will be 2 plus 8 upon 2. This will give you 0 upon 2. This gives you 10 upon 2. So next step, coordinates of point D will come out to be 0 comma, cancel it out, you will get 5. So 0 comma 5, these are the coordinates of point D. So this is the coordinate of one of the point. Now let us come to the other points. Now I am drawing this line again. Line AB was given to you. Coordinates of A minus 2 comma 2, coordinates of B 2 comma 8. These are the 3 points C, D and E. Coordinates of D we have already calculated, so I can write down the coordinates of D in this line 0 comma 5. Now these ratios AC is to CD is to DE is to EB, 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 1. So what do you find in this? AC is to CD. If you consider this much section of the line in AD portion, AC is to CD is 1 is to 1. So I write as AC is to CD is 1 is to 1. It means that C is the midpoint of AD. So for C is the midpoint of AD, I can again use the midpoint formula to find the coordinates of C. So what will be the coordinates of C? Equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. Now in this is x1 comma y1. This is x2 comma y2. So simply substitute the value in this midpoint formula. So what will be x1 plus x2 upon 2 minus 2 plus 1 upon 2. Minus 2 plus 0 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2, 2 plus 5 upon 2, 2 plus 5 upon 2. So next step this will give you minus 2 upon 2. This gives you 7 upon 2. This cancel out, you will get minus 1. So what are the coordinates of point C? Will give you minus 1 comma 7 upon 2. So this is your second answer, coordinates of point C. Now let us find the coordinates of point E. Now in this portion DB, what do you see? DE is to EB is 1 is to 1. So I write D is to EB is 1 is to 1. It means that E will be the midpoint of DB. So therefore E is the midpoint of DB. So in order to find the coordinates of E, I can use again the midpoint formula. Coordinates of point E will be x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. Now in this formula. 0 comma 5 is x1 comma y1 and 2 comma 8 is x2 comma y2. So what will be x1 plus x2 upon 2? 0 plus 2 upon 2. 0 plus 2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2 will be 5 plus 8 upon 2. So 5 plus 8 upon 2. ये हो गया आपका 2/2. दिस विल बी 13/2. कैंसिल कर दीजिए. सो कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ दिस विल गिव यू 1. कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ पॉइंट E विल बी 1 comma 13/2. So these are your three answer. Coordinates of E, coordinates of C and coordinates of D. In the previous page we have calculated 0 comma 5. I hope it is clear to you. Bye bye.